Starting the day off right, guys. We got some breakfast going. Dude, that actually looks good.
Can you do it one-handed?
I just did it.
You know what I mean? You have that cook along with it.
Yeah, I know.
Mine's cooked like this.
Oh! Oh! Should it look like that?
No, it's all the ash and grease on here. Stack them up.
Oh! It's not even hot. What the? Packages! Alright, guys, let's unbox these real quick. You good, Rocky? Rocky? Rocky looks like he's about to faint. Okay, but yeah, so these are the Air Jordan 1 tie-dyes. They're pretty cool, like. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think they're pretty cool. Got some good vibes going on. Okay guys, we are on our way to go swim now. Here we are. Okay guys, now we are on our way to get some fireworks. So yeah, I actually already bought here. And then I also bought this one back here. So yeah, I'm just about to get a little more. It's like we can have like a big show tonight. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is their freshest fry.
Mmm. Okay guys, just pulled up to the firework place, sorry. Dang guys, they are running out of fireworks. Should we get this? Dang guys. They actually didn't have any like mortars or anything like that. So now we're gonna try to go into Walmart.
Look at this charcoal filter.
Dude guys, I don't have my own mask, so I kind of feel bad.
Sparkle or fountains or whatever.
Guys, there's like nothing good, so we're about to go to a different place now. So yeah, rip. There's like literally nothing good. Dude, that place is tiny.
Holy pack.
Alright guys, I guess it's a no-go here. Look at that line. Jesus. Where else can we go? Wait, what about that place over there? There's literally a line out the door. We picked the right joint, motherfucker! That guy does. Alright guys, we are here. About to buy some fireworks. What should we get, guys? What should we get? Guys, even that place, we couldn't get any fireworks because like you had to fill out some pink form that you got online or something. So I guess we're out of luck, guys. We're gonna have to go with what we got. Guys, last chance, it's right there. Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see that.
We're full of them.
Okay, this place actually looks packed, guys. Hopefully, we just need a few more, honestly. Hopefully they got what we need. Okay guys, it's almost dark enough to shoot out the fireworks. There's just a little bit of sun left. And yeah, we have everything right here that we need. We got the fireworks. And yeah, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna tape a firework to the top of my car and then drive around with the firework going off. So yeah, that should be fun. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys when it gets dark. I actually just ran to the firework place and picked up this. So yeah, I guess we're gonna tape this on top of the car. Circle.
Okay.
Yeah, I just taped it down. Hopefully it stays.
Test run went well. The fountain stayed on. Test run went well, man.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, we'll get a lighter.
That worked.
Go get off that. Oh! Holy! Oh! Holy! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Guys, that was literally crazy. Hold on, wait one sec. We're about to do one of these. All right, I'm just gonna say, Jesus. Dang, dude, that was sick. Okay, guys, we're about to tie both of these together and light it at once. Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh, God. Oh my God.
Launch that baby to the street.
Yes, sir.
Getting bit up.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh God, dude, that's a low.
Heads up.
Oh! Oh my God.